century. I'm sure that is going to happen. I have only one observation as far as the syllabus of this contest is concerned, because screening test we always give the FY, SY, TY syllabus, and in that I have observed that there are few topics which are there as far as basic microbiology is concerned or biotechnology is concerned. Few things which are asked in the exam, they are related to immunology. I happen to belong to a University of Pune college and Board of Studies member. We have a syllabus which has been revised recently, last couple of years back, and there is no immunology at FY and SY level which used to be there earlier. So some of the students of Pune University might not be familiar with this. I am not saying that don't ask questions on that, but it would be better if we refer to the syllabus of various universities in the Maharashtra state and then accordingly frame our syllabus for this screening test. That would help us in getting more and more candidates forward. That is one observation which I have. Other things which I would like to say, that this event is so grand that I feel that my other colleagues in the state or in the colleges should also witness this at their own home or in colleges. So it is my request that through internet, through satellite vision, we can make this event live on the internet, so that others who are not able to come all the way to this Shirpur contest, they can get a benefit of this particular event and they can really witness this. Lot of inspiration is there. I would say that the entire thing is very good. The food facilities are good. You have excellent auditorium, you have excellent campus. Hospitality, there is no complaint about it. It's a nice thing. If I am told to come again, I would definitely be very happy to come again. And everything is very good, including the gift which we received on the day of 11th of January, which was at the screening test as well. It is an innovative idea, and that is what the science is requiring. And all these aspiring microbiologists and biotechnologists who are participating in this event very well, they will continue to do so. I wish all the organizers a very good grand success, and I am sure that this will continue for ages together. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Next, we request